we approached XLED Systems to install 2 LED boards, one for the Hockey Operations Leadership's conference room, and then we also have an even larger LED wall that they helped us install at the players' film room up at our practice facility in Cranberry Township. We had a very tight timeline. This was an add-on to the existing renovation project, and it was something that needed to be done by a very specific date. And the reason why we went with XLED Systems was because they were able to not only get the project done on time, it actually was accomplished ahead of schedule and under budget. Well, this was white glove service from start to finish. Full team came in to do the survey, make sure that the installation went in the exact locations, even down to slight adjustments, within less than an inch. We took the time to make sure that we analyzed it from all angles. The first screen was installed effectively within 1 day and fully functional. And the even larger screen, 163-inch screen, was more or less complete within a day as well, which was very surprising, I think, to everyone. With these projects specifically, I think everyone was so thoroughly impressed with the delivery, the price point, the technology capabilities. We're looking forward to partnering with XLED Systems for any future projects as well. The bar has been set incredibly high by their delivery. Everyone within the hockey operations leadership and the players themselves who have seen the boards thus far, more than happy with the delivery.